Let's unbox this jewelry box with us. She will take the one that she got, and I will take the one that I got. Okay, you take.
Wow. Look at this.
Wow. It's so pretty. Looks like a wheat leaf, I think. She already wore that. I think it's a bracelet.
Choo choo.
The things that we will wear and the things that we will not wear.
What should I choose?
Wow, so cute.
Beads. Beads. Flowers. Charms. Okay.
Oh, it's a clip.
Oh, it's cute on you.
I like it.
Next one. What
Wow, it's a fairy
it?
tale necklace, I think.
Sure. You sure?
Mm-hmm. It looks like a fairy vibe.
Oh.
Or maybe a sea vibe. I'm not
Yeah.
sure. It's a beach vibe.
I should wear it.
It's not your 10, bro. Oh,
I
it's
know.
all.
It appears.
It's so cute.
Oh,
it's curly. I don't think it's vintage, but it's still cute.
Wait.
Yeah, are you gonna wear it or not?
I should wear this because it's cute, you know?
Oh,
Listen.
it's a ring. Oh, it doesn't fit me.
It's,
Well, I'm not gonna wear it for you guys.
oh,
Oh,
That's it.
it's Eminem clip,
Yep.
I think.
this
Wait,
cookie.
wait.
Wait. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Oh, this is definitely fairy vibe. Like, I'm definitely wearing it.
Wait, what is this?
I think it's a bracelet.
Oh.
Wait, it's broken.
Oh.
It's broken, I think.
I can fix it.
It's given she can fix her man vibe. Oh, it's dark. It's a dark
It's
ring.
sparkly dark.
Oh, it's cute.
It's fit on you.